Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you all the details of this car, the new DS7. So this is the facelifted version. As you can see, when we unlock the car, it greets us with this beautiful animation of those new LEDs and new daytime running LEDs. And the car has the new design on the front. So let's check out those daytime running LEDs, flickering just on the camera and the screen, so not in real life of course. And this is beautiful, inspired by the DS concept models, and actually looks like the light is coming from the bodywork of the car, so that's really impressive. You also notice that this is then the indicator, and the new slimmer LEDs, they light up to 380 meters, and these are the DS Pixel LED Vision 3.0. Moving on to the side, you notice the muscular appearance on the road thanks to the design lines here. And 4 meters 59.5 centimeters is the length of the car. Let me show you those wheels. These are the new design, more aerodynamic 19-inch wheels, 235/50 R19. Good thing is that you do have the very smooth drive as expected. You can also go for the bigger wheels, but I would suggest these ones as the car looks amazing with those, and it's also very comfortable. So share your thoughts with me, how do you like the design? And now we can move on to the rear of the car. When we unlock the car, it greets us with the dynamic indicators, which you saw, and also look at the attention to details here. Look at the pattern for those tail lamps, DS lettering here as well. And also on this model, the facelifted version, you do have the lettering here, and DS7 and DS logo as well. Good news, look at this, the exhaust pipes, both are real, so it's a big thumb up from me. Let's unlock the car once again. You see the dynamic indicators. We can open the electric tailgate with just a key. Let's do it. This car has 555 liters of storage room. And you see the cables here. Also, if we move this, some additional room for some smaller elements. And then on this side, you do have the 12-volt power supply. If you want to fold the seats, just pull this. Same goes for the other side. And yeah, overall, really practical car. Press this to close the tailgate. Let me show you the car from this angle as well. So share your thoughts with me. This is, by the way, the Rivoli trim. You can also go for the trim above, which is the Opera trim. And then if you want a more sporty design, Performance Line and Performance Line Plus are also available. Name of this color is Crystal Pearl, and there are 6 colors available for the new DS7. Time to check out the interior. I really love those massive doors, and look at the materials inside. Look at this with the nice pattern, very soft on touch, and this is also soft. Big amount of room here for your various things in the door pocket. You're greeted with the DS logo. Look at those seats. You can immediately see that the ride will be comfortable and smooth when you see those. And now let's see it from driver's perspective. This is the layout in front of the driver, the flat bottom steering wheel, and also the digital cockpit, 12.3 inches, main touchscreen, 12-inch one with the new infotainment system. And look at this, soft on touch, and the materials once again really superb. So now let's see it with a closer view, and let's turn on the car. Alright then, time to start the car. Start engine button is here, it illuminates. And look what happens when you turn on the car. You see the beautiful analog clock comes out. This is the new infotainment system. I will show you the details in a moment, but let's go through the switches here. Actually, you do have some shortcuts, and also the central console. So this is for the max blow, turn off the air blower, then the circulation, home button. You can actually access the vehicle settings and driver assist systems here, and with this one you can change the controls for the AC and the temperature, stuff like that. Pull this, and now you have the 12-volt power supply and the USB-C port. and some additional storage room, electronic parking brake, drive mode selector. There are 4 driving modes available. This is the very nice futuristic gear selector, reverse neutral drive, and then B mode for maximum recuperation. Here you have park, press this, and these switches here are actually for the windows. These are the adjustable cup holders. Huge amount of room here in the middle section. Speaking about the room, nice carpeting in the glove compartment. Now it's time to check out the infotainment system. So press the home button, you go into the main menu, press it again to go to the first page. And good news is that you can actually configure those pages yourself. So whatever you want and whatever you use the most, you can put it on your personalized page, which is really cool. You go to settings, and now here customization. So there is the option to customize the driver information and also the touchscreen. And you see here you do have the pages, and then you can add the page, add widgets that you use more often, and that's it. That is a big thumb up from me, and this new infotainment system is really good. You can also change the screen colors, which is quite cool. Look at this, you can see on the digital cockpit how it changes the color, and also the layout of the infotainment system is different as well. 8 colors are available. I quite like this one, but tell me in the comments which one is your favorite. And yeah, you can adjust a bunch of settings here, adjust the brightness, audio, vehicle lighting, and stuff like that. And you see here you can change the temperature, so that's convenient. And if we move here, let's press this, you see the layout of the hybrid powertrain. More about these specs a bit later on, but we do not have the car charged right now. But with the 14.2 kilowatt-hour battery charged, you can have up to 65 kilometers of range by WLTP standard, purely on electric power. Let's go back to the home menu. We can check out the navigation, and this one is really nice. It is very responsive, but also it's got the beautiful 3D shape of the buildings. Look at this. How cool is that? Now stay tuned for the night point of view test drive. There I will show you how it looks during the night, and it's definitely a nice feeling driving this car. It's very comfortable, and you have the beautiful big screens in front of you. What else can I show you? So you see mirror screen, of course, and application drawer. Here is where you can access most of the things. Driver assist systems, which could be accessed with, which could be also opened by just pressing this one. Functions, bunch of safety systems, close obstacle detection, lane keeping assist, automatic braking system, stuff like that. And you also have the night vision. I will show you that one probably in a separate video, but that one is also very useful and very cool to see that in front of you with in the digital cockpit, of course. Now the digital cockpit in front of the driver, it's got the nice animation and many views. For example, the driving view, you see the car here and various information. The navigation view, which is probably my favorite. Personal view. There we go. You have the trip information and engine speed, revs, stuff like that. Minimum view, which is very good for example, road trips during the night. Just the most important information in front of you. Energy flow view, which is very cool while driving. You see what's happening. And back to dials view. There we go. I can also show you the panoramic sunroof that we have here. Look at this. Very cool indeed. Frameless mirror, which is nice to see. LED lights on the sun visors, both sides. And now it's time that we check out the rear bench. Let's step inside. Look at this. the same pattern as on the front, and the seats also, they look comfortable. So now let's try them. Here at the back, no problems whatsoever for the knees. The passengers here also have the AC controls, the air vents of course, and 2 USB ports, storage area, and let's see the middle armrest. There we go, with the cup holders, but they are not adjustable. And this is how it looks, so just about right. Have in mind that we do have the panoramic sunroof. I think without it I would have even more room. And then this is the situation here for my knees, no problems whatsoever. So longer road trips would be no problem in this car. It's very comfortable and has plenty of room. Now it is time to talk about the powertrain options. Let's start with this one. So this is a plug-in hybrid with 225 horsepower. It consists of the 1.6 liter petrol engine and electric motor. In total there are 4 powertrain options, 3 plug-in hybrids and 1 diesel. Diesel has got the 130 horsepower, and then the plug-in hybrids, they start with this one, 225 horsepower. Then you have 300 horsepower plug-in hybrid with all-wheel drive, and top of the line 360 horsepower all-wheel drive plug-in hybrid. Tell me in the comments what would be your choice. And before we end, I want to show you the charging port, which is located on the left side of the car, and then on the other side you have the fuel cap. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe as we are going on a point of view drive. There will be also the night point of view drive, so stay tuned for that, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.